Why did you kill my plants, Louis? Why? Why? Why did you do it? Why did you do it? Naughty boy.
I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass.
Was it you? The shaking one in the corner? Frightened? Because she did something wrong? Is it you, Lucy? Did you do it? Did you do it? Did you eat the pear that you weren't supposed to eat?
What was it? What did you do in there? Huh? What have you done? You know what you've done, don't you? Tell me now. What did you do in there? What have you done in there? What have you done?
Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day.
What'd you do? What'd you do? Now I have to clean the bathroom.
No, it wasn't you. Duke? Duke, was it you? Was that mess you? Was that you? Or was it Ruger? Was it you? Ruger? Ruger? Did you do this mess?